I've been involved with Best Doctors actually since I was a resident at the Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston, and have continued my involvement throughout my residency and then subsequently through my fellowship in my first couple of years on junior faculty. And when I think a little bit about sort of what I do and why I continue to do it with Best Doctors, I can think of a couple main reasons that contribute to that. And the first, I think, is that this provides me an opportunity, becoming very involved in these cases, to participate in a process that I think really leverages the Internet and the intellectual capital of our expert pool to provide really sophisticated consultative opinions to patients who are literally all over the world who are looking for our help. Second important reason I wanted to bring up is that I think that this provides really immense intellectual engagement and satisfaction that contributes to my own learning. I think we have a unique opportunity in medicine to really get it right in terms of doing complete data collection and comprehensive reports that, frankly, are difficult for anyone to do in the scope of usual medical practice, and then in terms of the limited time that we have with our patients every day.